Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rana and I am from Nelspruit, just in case you're wondering. I had a full face of makeup. I had errands to run. My baby ran out of nappies and I also needed to get a few stuff for the house. I was eating a chocolate cake and I wonder why my weight is picking up, guys. I wonder why I am not losing weight. I was eating a chocolate cake, but nonetheless, guys, I just got back and I'm so hungry. Hence, I just grabbed the first thing I could find and put it in my mouth, which was the cake. But hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Some of the things why I feel like I am a little bit demotivated when it comes to YouTube, it's because things are happening repeatedly. So I know, if not, I think 2 vlogs back I mentioned that my son was sick. He is sick again. He has flu, and I just quickly went to get few medicine for him because he's on medicine. He has like a specific medicine that he needs to take at his age, so it's kind of expensive, but yeah, my child's health comes first. You guys, welcome back to this vlog. My name is Rana and I am from Nelspruit, just in case you are wondering. Yo guys, I hate this. I wanted this. I hate so much. Now my face is lighter than not even the rest of my body, but like my neck. It's getting there. It's getting there. We are trying by all means to reverse the insulin resistance, and I think so far so good. So yeah guys, welcome back to this vlog. Oh my god, I am so hungry, and also I need to cook because today we have load shedding at 7, so I need to be done cooking by then, because at 7 that's the time when we actually eat our supper or dinner, our last meal of the day. So yeah guys, welcome back. Also, I got myself this baby right here, and as well as this thing. I feel like this is like the yellow gold and I hate it so much because it's screaming cheap. Yeah, but I love the face of the watch. I got this stuff from Shein. My order came and all of the stuff that I ordered, they were wrong, so I don't know if I should give them away or if I should return them. I'm still gathering my thoughts around that, because also if I give them away, that means I'm losing money, and if I return them also, I don't know if it's how long it's gonna take, because it's not like me returning stuff from the mall. It's actually, it has to go back way back to China, so you can only imagine. And I don't know if they are going to charge me. I still have to do my research when it comes to returning stuff back to China. But yeah guys, hello. Oh, I'm running out of breath, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty. Yo, kuningi guys, but also I'm stressing a little bit because when my son is sick, it means no sleep for us. So hence you can see I try to cover with makeup, but you can tell nje ukuthi angalali guys. Lapho I was cross nighting ngisendlini on my bed nje kuningi, but that's okay. Bantwana bakhula ngokuthi bagule vele, but I just feel like my son is constantly sick and I don't know why. I just want him to grow up already, and also he does speak but not akakhulumi kahle, so akhona amagama lawo ukuthi you can actually understand what he's trying to say, but when it comes to him being sick akakhoni kusho ukuthi this is where it's so painful. But ke akunankinga guys. Yeah, welcome to this vlog. I don't know what's going to be happening because I tried to vlog today at the shopping center, at the shopping complex, but I couldn't. I feel like I'm still a little bit shy also because people will just be staring at you for no reason at all. Like, I'm trying to grab a footage and I'm not filming them, I'm filming myself, but they just stare. I don't know if they don't know that staring is rude, but yeah, I've been talking for 4 minutes, 5 minutes already. So let me go grab something to eat quickly and start making dinner. My last vlog, I was standing here talking about making dinner. I feel like I keep doing things repetitively, which will make my vlogs to be boring, because the same thing you saw on the last video is the same thing that you will see now. But that's okay, guys. Let me go make something to eat for myself now. And I really love this watch, but it's giving the gold, like it's the yellow gold, and it's giving cheap. I don't know if it's going to get better when time goes by, but I just love my timepiece, guys. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to this video. Today is a Friday and it's 11:30. Guys, I woke up very hungry today. And there's nothing to eat. Like, there's literally no bread, nothing to eat, and I'm not planning to go to the shop to get bread. So also I've been craving my pancakes, so I think I'm gonna make pancakes. And yeah, guys, let's go make pancakes. Also, I wanted to pair them with a blueberry sauce, but my blueberries, they're very I don't have a lot of them right now, so I'll see what I can do. But yeah, guys, let's go make pancakes. Here are my ingredients. I have all my ingredients here. I've already placed the flour. I didn't really measure. I think it's about 3 cups. And then I have my full cream milk. and also my 2 eggs and vanilla. I also have my sugar in here. I'm using brown sugar, and then this cup to measure the milk with. I was pouring stuff and then I realized, Guti, I didn't show you the things that I'm gonna be using. Hence, I put it back on the. I put the milk back, but yeah. And then also we have our baking powder, and I'm going to use a wooden spoon and a fork because I'm trying to find a whisker tool, but this is what my baking setup kind of looks like, and I'm not gonna show you guys the process because I'm holding my phone by my hand, so I need to put it down, and I don't trust my ring light to use it as a tripod because last time I did that my phone fell and it cracked the screen. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do and mix up everything, and I will come back with the results, guys. Yo, ngilambile kona, but I need to do this because I'll crave it, and I'll see if I can get the blueberry done. But angicabanga ukuthi I don't think those blueberries they are enough there because I've been using them. But yeah, guys, this is what my baking station looks like. I actually placed everything on top of a deep freezer. Now, hey guys, so I'm done mixing everything, and this is the consistency, but I just don't like the fact that there's still lumps here. I'm trying to get rid of. And yo guys, let me tell you, I wish I had a hand mixer because this is an extreme sport trying to get rid of the lumps. Yeah, but this is the consistency, and I'm using this to scoop it up to the pan, and then I'm also gonna use this to flip them over. And yeah, kitchen boss in the house. Guys, lapho I'm doing so much work just because but that's okay. I think they need my flapjacks, aka pancakes. Okay, I am going to definitely show you guys the final product. Okay. I cooked breakfast for my son, and this is what it looks like. I made some rice with some pieces of tomatoes, and I also made some chips, and then there's this thing, I don't know if it's ham or what, and then also there's this sauce in here. It's a very nice sauce, guys. I got it from uh, the pet boys in town. So he ate the sauce with some chips the other day, and he really enjoyed it so much. So I'm trying to gather stuff that he enjoyed the most. So yeah, this is just for protein, and then I'm just gonna try and feed him and see if he eats, and yeah, we'll take it from there. But anyway, guys, happy Saturday. Today is the 23rd. Yeah, it's the 23rd of August 2025. I am also doing laundry, but I'm not gonna share that with you guys. My baby is screaming unemsindo shem, and there's some fly in here. I don't know why. But yeah, this is what his breakfast looks like. Guys, the struggle of being a mom. But anyway, let me go feed my son and continue with my chores for the day. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Bye.